here to do a review for WowAfrican Hair Company. It has their company's name on it as well. That's so cute. It's a 20-inch wig, body wave. Ooh, the density on this wig. This thing is thick and heavy. Like, ooh, this is my cup of tea. Yes. Ooh, the texture. Oh my God. I can just love on it. And y'all know how I feel about bleaching these knots. These knots are already bleached. But it came with an elastic band. You attach the elastic band on here. And it's also a 360 wig. 360 meaning that it's like a lace in the back as well. I've already switched out my wig caps. In the previous clip, I had on a dark brown one. And in this clip, I have on a light brown nude cap. You're just going to put your wig on, see where you want your wig to lay, and proceed with cutting the lace off and doing your styling technique. Today, I'm not going to be using any glue. This is how a 360 wig looks in the back. Very soon, I hope to do a 360 wig install for you guys. If y'all want to see me do a 360 tutorial with the natural hairline in the back, comment below and let me know. It's honestly very hard to do on myself, so it would have to be on a client. But I've attached the band because today I'm going to wear it glueless. I'm not going to use any glue today. And you're just going to flip the lace part back. Put this like this. And bring it up. And it fits like super secure. These knots already came plucked and bleached. This hair and this makeup and this shirt got me feeling like Maria, Maria. She reminds me of a West Side Story. Yes. Yes, honey. So, did y'all see what I did? I cut from the lace from around my ear, and I just brought the lace over my ear, just like that. Just get into that. Like, I haven't even glued it down. The same thing I did on the other side with cutting around my ear, I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. Same thing I did on this side, I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. Just stay tuned. Okay. For those that keep asking, I got my hot comb a long time ago from the beauty supply store. You can buy these at any local beauty supply store. Maybe Amazon has them, but it's really cheap. It's probably like $4 or $5. This is the old school hot comb that you put on the stove. That's why mine gets piping hot. This can be dangerous, but if you know what you're doing, you'll be fine. So if you're just learning, I suggest that you use the hot comb that you plug in until you get more comfortable with the heat and you know how to use it. Do not try this at home if you're just learning and you're experimenting. I would not recommend that because you can burn yourself, you can burn a hole in the lace, and either one is not going to be very pretty. I didn't do any extra plucking on this wig. All I did was cut the lace off, hot combed it, and that was all. Now I'm going to start curling. If you know my curling techniques, I'm going to split my hair down the middle and start to curl. I'm going to attach the curling links below. Hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for the ending results. For the 1 millionth time, the flat iron that I use is a Baby Lace. Baby Bliss, Baby Liss, however you want to say it, for those who always try to get technical with me. That's what I use, and that's how it looks if you can see it. Thanks for tuning in as always. I love you guys. See you next time.